All right, week 1, part 2 from the turtle series. So she peekaboo, shoots out, comes around to the side. She puts her arm over. Her arm goes over for the choke. Her other arm, we're gonna turn. Her other arm is tucked into my hip. I pinch, I tuck under, and then I use my elbow on the front side to sweep her over and come to the side control like this. Again, she peekaboos out, comes to the side, hand goes in, I tuck under, I use my frame, I roll her over, and then come into side control like this. Okay, next one. I peekaboo out, boom. I come around the side, I get to here, my top hand, I get a cross lapel on her. I post my hand on her back, step in, and I fall for the helicopter choke. Again, turtle, I peekaboo, come around the side, I drape, I get the grip in the lapel deep, fish, post on the back, leg comes up, circle helicopter.